Boss Time presents.
When it's no disqualification, that means a competitor can be attacked at will, and it's all legal.
This is when you see just how sadistic a competitor can truly be, and that makes for a frightening scene.
It's anything goes. You have to do whatever it takes to survive this situation.
There's no limit to what someone will do if they are unleashed without restriction.
Nice butterfly suplex. Oh, weakening the leg here.
She turns it right around with a counter.
Going counter for counter. Now can it be capitalized on? She will wisely return to the ring now.
How's that for a counter?
Man, that was a hard landing.
Ooh, she just turned it around. Fighting back with a counter. A running sit-out jawbreaker.
And she heads to the floor to think of her next move.
Time for some deep breaths.
A no DQ stipulation means you have to throw your regular playbook out the window. It's not going to save you here. It's time to get extreme.
You make a good point, Corey. Everyday offense just isn't going to cut it in this kind of match.
It's incredible, the inventiveness we are seeing on display here. Hoisting their opponent. Oh!
All right, back to it, returning to the ring.
Right to the kidneys from behind.
She's starting to look concerned.
Both arms are hooked.
Backslide in mind. Russian leg sweep. Oh, my!
Nice side headlock applied. Oh, well. Beautiful takedown into the Achilles lock.
Oh, man, there's...
Crawling, scratching, doing whatever it takes. She will not let this match end.
Oh, God.
Oh, look at this.
TKO.
And shoulders are down.
Who's really letting her opponent know how much fight she has.
Oh, what a nasty knee lift.
Oh, this kicking combination.
Placing them right where they want them, into the corner. Devastating kick. All right, she's back in, ready to go.
And a kick to the back. Ooh.
She returns the favor there.
Well-placed kick.
Pinpointing the leg.
Punishing the leg.
We know that taking out the legs is one of the most effective strategies in any match. Ah, clubbing blow to the back.
Right to the kidneys from behind.
Release German. Right to the schoolgirl.
She breaks the count quick.
Beautiful arm wringer applied.
Larry right to the face.
My goodness, look at this. Turn out the lights.
Looking for something, anything under the ring.
And it feels she has bad intention.
From the...
She certainly took a chance there.
High risk with no reward.
Incredible reversal into a DDT.
Drop kick from behind. Turning the tables. Clothesline.
Oh, that'll leave a mark.
Back into the ring. The press and the piston-like right hands. Oh, a flurry of strikes. She flips it back on her.
Brilliant countering by both competitors.
Wow, what a pump kick.
Ooh, what a forearm club.
Climbing the turnbuckle now. Uh-oh. Oh, my God, what a move.
What is this superstar waiting for here? Her opponent can't even stand.
Black magic.
And just like that, it's all over.
In the hard way. Cover here. That could have been it right there. Taking it to the floor. What's she going to do?
Guess she was looking for her old patch.
Shoulders down. Could she finally put this away?
Running interference. Look at this.
Snap suplex.
Oh, impressive counter.
Each superstar trying to stay a step ahead.
And she's stunned in the corner.
sounded rough.
She'll take things into the ring.
And that was an efficient display of offense with that maneuver. And some effective offense. Oh, God.
We got a little tandem offense in our future.
Leg kick catches the side of the head.
Rolling elbow. Woo! We're back up, but doesn't look good.
Right to the kidneys from behind.
A running sit-out jawbreaker.
Moved at the right time. Tremendous series of kicks.
Oh, kick.
She adjusts it and reverses it.
The Irish curse. We all know what she's looking to do next. Oh, here we go.
Taste of pain.
Night-night. Cover. 2. What a gutsy performance.
And you see a perplexed look now for how such impactful offense couldn't gain a pinfall.
What is this superstar waiting for here? Their opponent can't even stand. Hoisted up into the snap suplex.
Able to interrupt the attack. Setting them up. Front
Into the slam. What is this superstar waiting for here? Their opponent can't even stand.
Black magic.
She just created a prime opportunity. Look at this kicking.
Will it be?
I can't believe it. The people can't believe it. I don't think the referee can believe it. Boom!
We knew we were in for something special between these competitors, and they are taking things over their own limits. Over and over again. She covers for the pin. And she breaks the count.
She is not done yet.
Taking this to the floor.
Kendo stick to the skull. Guys, they're getting way too...
Look out!
Oh my gosh, what impact.
That is the attitude of a daredevil. The ability to take risk with minimal trepidation.
No fear, absolute reckless abandon.
Wow, what a strike to the back. And she continues to undergo an assault late in this match.
She might be dangerously close to being put away.
Oh, and she turns it around.
It's that time.
A game-ending move. Checkmate. She saw it coming.
Counters. This could be an opportunity. Ooh, what a damaging blow.
Tremendous series of kicks.
Looking for the victory. 2. Finally over. Triple Threats always deliver 3 times the action, and that one was no exception. Take a look. Here is your winner, Satomura. Quite the impressive victory. Coming out on top against 2 very capable, very clothesline! Off with their head.
She's finished.
She's getting fired up, ready to show her opponent what she's got.